as I start to get the bike ready. We're doing another day of testing our remote mic and our, well, we have a mic that fits on the motorcycle, and then we have a mic on the computer that we can dub the sound into our voice. So gives us a little, make the videos a little more interesting, I think. And this is where the remote mic, I just have it with some electrical tape back on the blinker, and then it wires right up to the SJ cam. And of course we have multiple mounts, front, rear, and on the driver's side. So Karen just yelled out the coffee's ready. I'll have the coffee. It is chilly out there today. Boy, and it looks like the day as I get ready. It has the look of not a cloud in the sky. It's just a tad under 50 degrees. It looks like it's going to be a wonderful fall day. Well, it's not going to be long, and it's going to be 1300. Sneaking up on it. We only got a few to go. Coming up on one of my favorite areas. I call it the pony farm, the llama farm. There's different animals. Sometimes there's donkeys, sometimes there's llamas. Every time I go past it, there's a different array of animals. It's a really nice place. We've taken miles there. I think the real name is Brook Hollow Farms, but it is a real nice pit stop. Stop and take some pictures and check out the animals. whole area. The leaves are going to be changing in the next week or two. Every ride gets nicer than the one before. This really was a really nice ride, and the ride home even nicer than the ride up. Home from a beautiful fall ride. The wind is starting to blow a little bit, but wow, we had a great day. Every day out on these old bikes is just like a free lunch. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed sharing a ride with us, and thanks for watching.